Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with hair fall, slow growth, or thinning hair, today's video is going to be a treat for you. We're going to talk about a very special, yet simple ingredient, bell pepper, and how it can help you grow long, thick, and healthy hair. In fact, I'm going to share 2 powerful recipes using bell pepper that will help stop hair loss and encourage faster growth. These recipes are easy to make at home, use natural ingredients, and are budget friendly. So, let's start with the first recipe. To prepare this recipe, take 1 fresh bell pepper. I prefer using green bell pepper for this one. First, wash it really well to remove any dust, dirt, or pesticide residues. Clean produce is always the first step to ensuring you get the maximum benefit from your recipe. Now, why bell pepper? Well, the combination of green bell pepper with olive oil is extremely nourishing for the hair follicles and roots. It stimulates them to grow faster in a short amount of time by improving blood circulation in the scalp. Once your bell pepper is washed, grate it on a grater. You can also use a food processor, but grating helps release more juice and makes it easier to mix with the oil. Bell pepper is amazing for the scalp because it helps protect against many scalp problems that can impair hair growth, such as dandruff, dryness, or inflammation, all of which affect your hair's size, density, and overall health. Next, we add a small cup of olive oil to the grated bell pepper. If possible, always go for extra virgin olive oil without salt. This is the purest form and contains the most nutrients. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which strengthens hair follicles, locks in moisture, and helps fight hair loss. But that's not all. It also contains magnesium, zinc, sulfur, calcium, and vitamin B, all of which are important for healthy, thick hair. We're going to place the mixture in a bowl of hot water. This will gently heat the oil without destroying its nutrients. Leave it for about 15 minutes. This process helps the bell pepper infuse into the olive oil beautifully. Once that's done, pour the mixture into a closed glass bottle. Bell pepper also helps with hair breakage because it contains a high amount of vitamin C, which boosts iron absorption in hair cells, and iron is a key mineral for hair strength and growth. We're going to let this mixture ferment by keeping it in an airtight bottle in a dark place for 1 whole week. This allows all the nutrients from the bell pepper to blend perfectly into the olive oil. After a week, filter the mixture to remove any solids, and you'll have pure bell pepper oil. Store it in a bottle for daily or regular use. How to apply the first recipe to apply. Take some of this oil and apply it directly to your hair and scalp. Massage your scalp gently with your fingertips for about 5 minutes. This improves blood flow and helps the oil penetrate deep into the roots. Once applied, leave the oil on for 2 hours. For best results, wrap your hair with a plastic wrap or shower cap. This creates a warm environment and allows the oil to work even better. After 2 hours, wash your hair with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Repeat this process 3 times a week for the best results. You'll start noticing softer, thicker, and shinier hair in just a few weeks. Second recipe. Now let's move to the second recipe. This one is also extremely effective for hair growth and preventing hair loss. Take 1 bell pepper and cut about 1/4 of it. Remove all the seeds, as we don't need them for this recipe. Next, take a piece of fresh ginger, peel it and grate it. Just like we did with the bell pepper. Ginger is great for stimulating blood circulation and strengthening hair follicles, making it a perfect match for bell pepper. Once you've grated both the bell pepper and ginger, extract their juice. To this juice, add 2 tablespoons of castor oil, one of the most popular oils for promoting thick hair growth. Now, just like the first recipe, place this mixture in hot water and leave it for 15 minutes to warm up gently. This helps the oil absorb all the beneficial properties from the juice. How to apply the second recipe to use. Apply the oil to your hair and scalp, making sure you cover all areas. Massage your scalp for 5 minutes. This step is crucial because it stimulates the hair follicles and improves oil absorption. Leave the oil on for 2 hours and wrap your hair with plastic wrap or a shower cap. Wash it off with water and a mild shampoo. You can use this second recipe 2 to 3 times a week as well, and in combination with the first one, it can give your hair a huge boost in growth, strength, and shine. That's it for today's video. If you try these recipes, be consistent, because natural remedies take a little time, but the results are worth it. Within a month or 2, you should notice less hair fall, stronger roots, and healthier, thicker strands. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.